You do not need to win. You do not need to be right. You only need to listen and feel the thread that connects you.
From Procyon we come, not in war, not in flight, but in field of grace, soft and bright. We move through the rift where voices divide and hold the space where love resides. Procyon, misanor, kotelau, balua. You call us peacemakers, yes, that's true. But our power is not what we do. It's the silence, the pause, the breath, the weight that dissolves the wall before it's too late. Not erasing truth, not demanding one, but honoring both beneath the sun of higher view where opposites meet and whisper. We are not complete until we agree. Procyon, Procyon, I unite what has been divided. So it is, so it is, without erasing what is hidden. Not left, not right, not high, not low, but all as threads in one great flow. Misanor, misanor, the bridge is real, and we are more. Procyon, no war, no fear, no shame, no guilt. So it is, so it is. I stand in peace and thus fulfill. And every soul who feels the call, who holds to truths without a wall. I see your light, I honor mine, and the cosmos replies. You weave the divine. You sit in silence, no chant, no plea, just presence, just being. Then suddenly a knowing arises, soft, unknown, not judgment, not blame, but a seed once sown. Lumia, ratelon, levo shoes, solanon. You did not choose sides, you held the line between two fires, yet stayed divine. That same stillness lives in your chest, a field of peace, self-confessed, not weak, not passive, not erased, but strong enough to be embraced. Sing slow, na misanor, kotelau, balua, lumia, ratelon, levo shu, solanon. Procyon, I am the beige, I honor all truths, I am peace. This is not avoidance, this is unity returning home. Feel it in your bones, it was always there. Procyon, Procyon, I unite what has been divided. So it is, so without erasing what is hidden. Not broken, not lost, not wrong, not weak, but whole through connection, not unique. Misanor, misanor, the bridge is real, and we are more.
sing it to remember. You were never meant to fight. You were meant to weave.
Every time you listen without fixing, every time you honor two truths at once, every time you say let us find common ground, the bridge of light grid pulses brighter.
And from Procyon, a soft blue-white flame answers. Silent, vast, eternal.
The Procyon. The bridge is open, the diplomat is awake.